You ever wonder why some people seem to have everything under control, savings, investments, even emergency funds, while others are constantly broke no matter how much they earn? Here's the truth. It's not about how much you make. It's about how you manage what you make. And today, I'm going to show you how to master your money, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step plan to take control of your personal finances, start investing confidently, and build long-term wealth, all without needing a finance degree or a six-figure income. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to understand your cash flow. Track your spending for 30 days. Every coffee, subscription, or Uber ride. Use apps like Mint, Notion templates, or even a simple Excel sheet. You can't control what you don't measure. Step 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, phone repairs, anything can happen. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your financial shield. You'll sleep better knowing you're protected. Step 3. Kill the debt smartly. Not all debt is bad, but high-interest credit card debt? That's financial quicksand. Start with the debt avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once debt-free, redirect that same money into your investments. Step 4. Automate your finances. The rich don't rely on discipline, they rely on systems. Set automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bills. This way, your money works for you before you even touch it. Step 5. Start investing early, even small. Here's the secret. Time greater than timing. If you invest $100 a month at 10% annual returns, in 30 years, you'll have over $200,000. That's the power of compound interest. Start with low-cost index funds or ETFs, like S&P 500 funds, and let your portfolio grow passively. Step 6. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your money across stocks, bonds, real estate, or even side businesses. Diversification protects you when one area underperforms. Step 7. Keep learning and reviewing. Money management isn't a one-time thing. Review your budget and investments monthly. Read one finance book a month or follow channels that educate you, not hype you. Here's where most people go wrong. Trying to get rich quick, chasing crypto trends or hot stocks. Ignoring small expenses, those $5 daily coffees add up. Not having a plan, they just wing it financially. Comparing themselves to others, your money journey is yours alone. Waiting for the perfect time to invest, spoiler, it doesn't exist. If you avoid these mistakes, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Let's make it real. Here's your 7-day personal finance reset plan. Day 1. Track every dollar you spend. Day 2. Calculate your total debt and monthly expenses. Day 3. Open a high-yield savings account for your emergency fund. Day 4. Cancel or pause any unused subscriptions. Day 5. Automate your savings, even if it's $20 a week. Day 6. Research index funds and open a brokerage account, like Vanguard, Fidelity, or eToro. Day 7. Write a one-page financial plan. Your goals, savings targets, and investment strategy. Do this for 1 week, and you'll be 10 steps ahead of your old self. If this video helped you take control of your money, imagine where you'll be 6 months from now if you stay consistent. So, don't just watch, take action. And if you want weekly videos breaking down smart investing, side hustles, and money growth tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start to get rich.